Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Bhat and I read in Standard 7. We made this project. This project name is Smart Chip for Blind Person. It helps to detect any obstacle or object to save the blind person and help the blind person.
As we know that hundreds of thousands of people are facing death just because of their blindness. They face severe accidents which result in death and loss of several people.
As we know that blind person can't see, this is the solution of our problem that ultrasonic sensor will detect any obstacle and hit the buzzer and on the buzzer. By this we can help the person who is blind and save their lives. Thank you. I have used many materials in this project like Arduino, buzzer, ultrasonic sensor, jumper wires, batteries and buttons.